First of all, important to you guys, today I want to speak about the past. I want to speak about forgiving the past and really getting to alchemize our experiences. Before starting, I want to mention the fact that I do one-on-one coaching sessions, so if you want to work with me personally, feel free to send me a message. I also have a podcast series called Consciously Awakening. If you want to be part of the podcast, feel free to send me a message. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe and leave a comment. Now, I realize that there are hard moments in life, and it is important how we choose to treat these moments. It is important how we choose to perceive these moments, okay? I believe that perception is actually important in rough moments. How do you choose to see your failure? How do you choose to see your past experiences? How do you choose to alchemize these experiences? Okay, so the first thing to realize in order to forgive the past is the fact that you gotta change your perception that you have towards the things that happened. Okay, perception is important. Perception is key here. How do you choose to see these things? Because I believe that things are happening from a higher vibrational perspective. Things are happening from a spiritual perspective. Okay, if you get to actually see things from a spiritual perspective, you get to actually win. Okay, and I believe that it's about healing our emotional body. Okay, the more that you learn to heal your emotional body is the more that you learn to transcend your consciousness. The more that you heal yourself in the process is the more that you realize that you have done actually nothing wrong, and everything is actually perfect in its imperfection. Everything that happened was actually perfect and was designed for you to actually learn something out of it. Okay, there is a saying that you are always experiencing what you need to experience. Okay, so if you get to realize that whatever happened exactly how it was supposed to happen, is the more that you realize that you are actually at the right moment at the right time. Okay, the second thing I would like you guys to realize is the fact that you are at the right moment at the right time, and that everything that happened with a higher purpose. Of course, you have access to this purpose and you have a choice in how you want to express yourself, but what I'm suggesting is forgive the experience. Forgive the experience and actually allow it to be there, because the moment that you actually allow it to be there is the moment that you get to actually alchemize it. Okay, now what I'm coming to realize is the fact that I don't have to take things so seriously. Okay, I don't have to take things so seriously. I don't have to actually lose myself in the process while taking things so seriously. Okay, so don't take life so seriously. This is actually the third advice. Don't take what happened too seriously. Realize that it happened for you, and it actually had a lesson attached to it. For me, the lesson was to actually learn to express myself in the process, to actually learn how to really be my true authentic self in the process. Okay, so what I'm coming to realize is the fact that there is no failure. There is no failure. There are only experiences that you have experienced in order for you to actually learn something out of it. Now, the fourth tip is embrace the lesson. Okay, embrace the lesson. What is the lesson here? What is the universe trying to actually teach you? This is what you should actually ask yourself. What is the universe trying to teach you from these experiences? What is the universe trying to make you realize out of these experiences? And usually it is healing. Usually it is you stepping into a higher state of consciousness. Usually it is you getting to actually alchemize these experiences. Okay, now what I'm coming to realize is the fact that if I don't get to perceive it as a failure, then I didn't fail. Okay, if I don't get to perceive it as a failure, then I didn't fail, because I realized that the secret is within myself. Okay, there is no need to fight another being. There is no need for struggles with another person. There is only a need for you to actually look within yourself and find the answers there. Okay, so look within yourself and find the answers there, because the secret is within yourself. It has always been there. The more that you get to actually alchemize your inner world is the more that you realize that you actually have the power within yourself, and really the power is within. So allow yourself to actually be your true complete self while alchemizing your experiences. Okay, I realized that we have the power to actually alchemize our past. with the consciousness that we have in the present moment. Okay, you can actually talk to your past, you can actually send energy to your past, you can actually learn how to forgive it by giving yourself the attention necessary in the now. Okay, so give yourself the attention necessary in the now and realize that everything that is happening is actually happening with a higher purpose. Okay, so forgive your experiences, alchemize your experiences, look within yourself for answers, laugh at the experience if you feel like laughing at the experience. Realize that it's not perfect, but at the same time it is perfect in its imperfection. Okay, so guys, this was today's video about forgiving the past and moving on. Allow yourself to actually start afresh and allow yourself to actually be your best version while looking within yourself and healing yourself from the inside out. Okay, heal yourself, allow yourself to do the inner work, and allow yourself to actually be your best version, because you actually deserve it. You deserve to be your best self, you deserve to be your best authentic version. Okay, what's more important than being nice is actually being authentic. So be authentic and realize that you are a warrior of light. Step back into your higher self and realize that everything that has happened has actually happened for you. Okay, it has happened for you. It hasn't happened to you, it has happened for you. It has happened for you to actually learn and embrace your lesson, and you have a choice in how you want to express yourself. Make sure that you actually listen to your heart and make sure that you are not being random here, because nothing is random on the planet. Everything is happening with a higher purpose. Guys, thank you for watching, and like always, see you on what is coming up next. This was today's perspective about forgiving the past. Realize that you are always winning the moment that you are actually seeing it this way. Much peace, and see you on what is coming up next. I love you so much. I love you with my heart, with my soul, and take care of yourself, because that is actually important. Take care of yourself. Much peace, and see you on what is coming up next. I love you.